Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for silver, and I'm on the daily time frame. So in my last video, I was talking about how even though this looks like a very clear five waves up, I don't really think this move up is over because we definitely didn't turn out a Fibonacci retracement from the weekly time frame. So I think this move down right here potentially is going to be a pullback to the last five waves up, and I think we are likely going to get more movement to the upside when the market is ready. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, first of all, we got a very impulsive move down. That is definitely a trend. I think that's a wave A. I think this move up right here is going to end up being a correction to this move down like a wave B. And I think at some point it's probably going to turn back down for a wave C. And this will probably take out the low of wave 4 before we potentially end up continuing that daily time frame uptrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So how are you going to know if this is over? Right now, this most recent structure around the 1 hour is right here. So if it bounces from this fib, goes down and breaks that structure, that's how I'll know it's over. On the other hand, if it does something like this and makes another move up, then makes a double top at the 78% and goes down and breaks structure, that's another way that I'll know that it's over. If it doesn't ever break structure, but instead makes a higher low, bounces from the 78%, makes a higher low, and just keeps on going up, then you would just keep on looking for longs. I don't really think that's what's going to happen. I think it's more likely going to double top at the 78 or the 61% Fibonacci retracement, and this is going to be a wave B of an ABC correction for the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.